Welcome to my channel Travel Guide, how to book a wheelchair on Emirates flights, step-by-step guide flying with Emirates and need wheelchair assistance. This video shows you exactly how to request a wheelchair while booking your flight online, step by step. Whether you're a senior traveler or need mobility support, we've got you covered. Book smart, travel easy. Request during online booking. When booking a flight on the Emirates website, www.emirates.com, you can request wheelchair assistance directly in the booking process. After selecting your flight, navigate to the Passenger Details or Special Assistance section. Here, you can indicate the need for a wheelchair and specify the type of assistance required, such as help at the airport, during boarding, or on board. Ensure you complete this step at least 48 hours before departure to allow Emirates to arrange the service. Contact Emirates customer service if you prefer not to book online or need to clarify specific requirements. Contact Emirates customer service at least 48 hours before your flight. You can find local contact numbers on the Emirates website or use the text telephone, TTY, number 1-888-320-1576 if calling from the USA or Canada. Provide passenger details, name, age, contact, flight details, flight number, date, cities, and the type of wheelchair assistance needed. Specify wheelchair type. Emirates offers different types of wheelchair assistance based on mobility needs. WCHR, wheelchair ramp, for passengers who can walk short distances but need assistance for longer airport distances. WCHS, wheelchair steps, for those who cannot climb stairs but can walk to their seat. WCHC, wheelchair cabin, for passengers who need assistance throughout, including to their seat on board. Specify the appropriate type when booking to ensure the right support. Provide mobility aid details. If you're traveling with your own wheelchair or mobility aid, inform Emirates about its size, weight, and battery type. For electric wheelchairs, at least 48 hours before departure. For battery-powered devices, provide manufacturer instructions and ensure batteries are spill-proof or lithium-ion, not exceeding 300 watt-hours, or 160 watt-hours for 2 batteries. Emirates allows 2 certified mobility aids free of charge, not counted toward baggage limits. Complete the medical information form, MEDIF. Passengers with critical medical conditions or those requiring a stretcher must submit a medical information form, MEDIF, via the Emirates website. This form, available under the Special Assistance and Health section, requires details about your medical condition and mobility needs. Submit it at least 48 hours before departure for clearance by Emirates medical team. Arrive early at the airport. Emirates recommends arriving at the airport 3 hours before your flight to allow time for processing wheelchair assistance and ensuring mobility aids are securely stowed. At Dubai International Airport, special assistance desks at Terminal 3 can facilitate check-in. If departing from other airports, request assistance at the Emirates counter. Understand onboard assistance. Emirates provides onboard wheelchairs to assist passengers in moving within the aircraft cabin, such as to the lavatory. Aisle seats with movable armrests are assigned for easier transfers. Cabin crew can assist with stowing items but cannot lift passengers, so those needing help with transfers or personal care must travel with an assistant. Check aircraft compatibility. Verify that your wheelchair or mobility aid fits the cargo compartment of your flight's aircraft type, which can be found during booking or in the Manage Your Booking section. Emirates provides cargo door dimensions online to ensure compatibility. If your device doesn't fit, you may need to book an alternative flight, and Emirates may refund the fare difference upon documentation. Handle connecting flights. For flights with connections, especially in Dubai, Emirates provides wheelchair assistance from the aircraft to the gate or onward transport. Notify Emirates about connection details during booking to coordinate assistance. If connecting to another airline, contact them separately to arrange assistance, as Emirates support covers only their flights. Confirm assistance post-booking. If you didn't request wheelchair assistance during booking, you can add it later via the Manage Your Booking section on the Emirates website or by contacting customer service. Ensure the request is made at least 48 hours before departure. At the airport, you can also request assistance at the check-in counter, but pre-booking is recommended to guarantee availability. Additional notes: Emirates wheelchair assistance is complimentary and available at all airports they serve, covering terminal entry to boarding and from arrival to pickup. However, experiences shared on platforms like Reddit suggest that pre-booking is critical to avoid delays, as last-minute requests may face issues, especially during busy periods. For passengers with electric wheelchairs, ensure compliance with safety regulations, such as securing batteries to prevent activation during the flight. If issues arise, such as delays in assistance or damaged wheelchairs, contact Emirates Customer Affairs via their online feedback or complaints form. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.